Where do you think you're heading?
Ano sa Tagalog yun?
Where are you going?
Oh, sige. Going to
the river.
Going to the river and making some noise in fish.
What's with the river?
The river call me call me river.
Call me river.
Riverside.
Riverside.
Almost 3 hours deep inside making habit.
Habit like what?
So pain. So pain, so broken legs.
How many fish are you trying to get?
Get in more 20?
20? Like what kind of fish are you gonna get?
Kind of fish.
Lubog yung paa.
Tilapia.
Oy!
Lubog tayo, lubog.
Hello!
Mabaho.
Ay! Ay!
Mo.
Let's get out!
Ang baho.
Let's get loud.
Ay, dali nga oh.
Ay! Ilan!
Dugi. Yan sana. Huwag mo mabasa. Mabaho yung tubig.
Bataon!
Ang baho nga eh.
There.
There.
Bisa yung paa.
This is a riverside. Control the body
Which,
Of
whose
water.
body? Whose body? Like the breasts?
because water is very fast. Very fast. Very fast.
Furious.
Pass. How do you spell pass?
P-A-S-T.
Sige mo na sa
Walking tayo, walking. Walking, mga 30 minutes walking.
What kind of river is this?
Riverside.
River?
Paano magbaba na ako maghawak, ma'am? Ano, gamba?
Boss!
Ano yung gimana?
Ano yan? Kinakain yung gagamba? Ano yung inuulam niyo yan?
Sir, they can't understand
ano
you.
mo
have
na?
to speak in English, sir.
Hey!
English, sir.
Ipasok mo na sa loob.
Ayoko.
Hey! Spider!
Hey,
Ito, may
I just
lagyan.
met you.
Oh, may lagyan na isa, ano, gamba.
No English! Speak!
Oh, sige, ito.
Where do you get my spider? Where you from?
I came from.
Who are you asking, the spider or him?
Ayun na.
Get here. Get in the box and put down and slow.
How slow?
Slow motion.
Wala na.
Ay, okay, mandar mo. Okay, man.
Hey!
Hey, I just...
You see it? Where?
Kiray, ilaw. Ito mo na.
Nothing.
Lagyan natin yung napakalaking gamba.
The porter, you're supposed to be here. You're
Mayri,
supposed to
walaan.
be telling them what to do.
The spider put the box and...
Baka maduro.
Oy! Hey! The spider is
He's swimming
swimming very...
down the ocean.
Hawakan na lang. Sayang yan.
You still alive?
Ano pa naman?
Oh, still alive, man! Put in the box! Still alive!
And kicking.
Malalugan. Sayang kita. Wala akong patay.
Still alive, spider! You put in the box!
Arang mo lang yung sa tubig.
If you're gonna be a spider, what spider are you?
Spider, black spider, brown spider, and leather spider,
Yung ilo mo muna, hindi kayo.
post of Morocco. Like,
What are we gonna get?
Try natin. Ito.
very small fish.
Yung silalim ng ano, kapain nyo, dito oh. Hindi, bubusan ko.
Parang mamubulabog yung isda.
Nanguhuli po kami ng isda.
Okay.
Oh, ang kulit.
Tingnan po natin kung mahuhuli nila.
Slow.
Ayun,
Oh, man, very small.
Ikaw
Gusto ba
yan.
yan?
Wala.
Ah,
Oh.
tae po yan, tae.
Tayo pala.
Your fish escape.
Huwag ka muna mauna ah.
O dito.
Sige na ako lang. Ang lilit kasi.
Harb, sa gitna wala din sa gilid.
There are fishes.
Paano pag huli ng... Oh,
Ayun o, taklaon.
ayun o. Kahit maliit, tirahin nyo na. Boom!
Oh, patay o. Nahilo, ayun o.
Ito.
Nahilo.
Ayan, oh.
Ninja na siya. Ito.
Nahilo siya eh, hindi niya tinamaan. Oh.
Kunti ka makakapagin.
Oo, mahihirapan tayo manghuli ng isda dito. Ang liit. Hinga, tinahin mo. Oh, di pa.
Hey guys!
Dito.
Hey guys!